Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to talk about our factory, Space and Designs. The factory is located in Kadipur Industrial Area. Please come around. We'll show you the factory. We start from our warehouse where we have all kinds of wood out here. The plywoods are there, the MDMFs and SDF, everything, all the things are there. And here comes, this is our cold pressing machine. This is our panel socketing machine. Here we cut 10 feet of board at a time. Edge banding machine where the edges of the wood are all banded, and so that everything is fine. It comes out and you can see how it is now. It was like this earlier. Now it is like this. This is the furniture what we are making. You can see a chair, you can see office table, you can see a round table which is used as dining table. Then you have a sofa, you have a working lounge, and a single chair. On this multi-boring machine, what if you have one board out like this, another one here, you want to join them across, you don't put any nails across. This multi-boring machine will create this thing, and the unit will go over there. This is a CNC machine what we have. We do all kind of things over here. If you come in close, you will see this kind of molding is initially done. You see the molding. Apart from that, we can do simple designs like this. Simple designs like this can be done out here. This is one of the samples, and this is one more sample. This is the manager's room.